There is a hidden gold mine right in front of you, and most people don't even see it. But you know what? A few smart entrepreneurs have turned it into $1 million industry. Every weekend, while people are celebrating, a few smart entrepreneurs are quietly making millions behind the scenes. No products to sell, no massive investments, just creativity, strategy, and the right clients. So think about it. Every wedding, corporate gala, and even luxury parties like bridal showers, baby showers, birthday parties, and many others that you see around, someone is getting paid big time to make it look that good. But here is what they won't tell you. The demand, where it's skyrocketing, it's insane, and the profits even crazier. Event decorators are pocketing anywhere from 500,000 to a few millions per event. And guess what? You don't need a shop, a warehouse, or even a huge starting budget. What you do need is creativity, the right strategy, and a network that keeps your calendar fully booked. And here is the best part. Most people have no idea how to tap into this. But if you're watching this, you're already ahead of the 99% of them. So, do you want in on one of the most lucrative creative businesses out here? Stick around. I am about to show you exactly how to start. Because why? You could tap into this industry starting today.